today we have to learn about second lesson. That is name is that who does wants work? Who does what? Work. Yes, we have to daily life. Our parents are doing something else to earn the money. To how can they earn the money? They can do the works. That is professional or anything related jobs and doing professional skills, professions like agriculture and that so many different types of jobs and works are there. That is we can that in our family members helping each other in that home. While we are doing the works in home, we have to helping that our home and we should help each other household works at home. It is a good way to complete the works in on time and that we have to know that about the professions. Do you know the meaning of profession? That is work done for earning a livelihood is called profession. Work done for earning a livelihood are called profession. It requires certain skills and knowledge of the task they involve. That is called profession. They know very well profession skills and they have to know about the knowledge of the work and they involve the works properly and that examples the carpenters design so much different types of designs like doors, windows, benches, wood items. They have to put different designs. They know very well of their works knowledge. They have to knowledge of their works. They have to know the designs about what type of designs they have to put in doors, what type of designs we have to put in windows or anything, any place what it requires. They know very well. This is called profession. That is examples I am saying that carpenter. That is money earned by that doing a job is called income. What is the income means? The money earned by the doing job. Doing job is that income. If professions are important, they provide different several services. All professions are important. They are provide the different services. We should treat that professions with respect. We should treat with this professions with respect. We have some professions are there in our see. That is cobbler, barber, basket weaver, carpenter, doctor, teacher, police, traffic controller or traffic police and soldier. These are the some professions are there. Just we have to see once that is cobbler. What he do? Cobbler make and repair shoes. Cobbler is make and repair the shoes. What is the works? He is repair the shoes and mend and kuttadam చెప్పులు కానీ షూస్ కానీ that is his profession. Who's that? Cobbler. Cobbler is make and repair the shoes. Next one is that barber. Barbers. He is to trim of boys and men's. He trim to hair. He is trim to hair. What is that? He is trim to hair. Trim to hair of boys and men. That is his profession. And basket weavers, he make different types of baskets and mats. And he weaves mats also. He make the different types of baskets. And he can weave the mats also. Next one is the carpenter. He makes furniture such as chairs, tables, beds, etc. Yes, we know that with the help of wood he is making different beautiful things such tables, chairs, cupboards and windows, doors. What it requires mainly in a home appliances, he can make it to us and he will make it to beautiful things, designs to giving to us. He is a carpenter. He make it furnitures. Next one is the doctor. Yes, when we fall sick, when we have unhealthy and uneasy, we have to go to the hospital. Who will be there? Who will be treat you? Yes, there is a one doctor He will treat you. What he treat you, he will treat properly. And what is the problem, he can find out. He can give to, he or her gave to the medicines to us. And also the doctors also going to the small villages, and they have to treat the what is the problem of them. They have to giving the medicines to them. That those who are going to villages, that is called mobile dispensaries. They have to go to the villages to treat the people. That is the doctors. They can do their profession work. Next, teacher. You know very well the teachers do that. What is that? The teachers teach the students various spot of around us, and I also teach them to write, read, learn, and speak and pray, speak and paint and draw. These are the works of profession of teacher. They can learn to the students to learn, read, write, paint and draw the pictures. Next one, that police. Yes, everyone, police is, you know very well why he is that profession is that he is a police officer, is helping into treating the neighborhood safe. He is keeping the neighborhood safe. It helps to keeping the neighborhood safe, and he can catch the robbers, thieves and pickpockets in our surrounding areas, and he managed the crowded areas during the fairs and festivals. Yes, he can manage the when festivals are during the time, so much people are crowded in the roads and place areas. He can manage the total areas. He can don't anything such as robberies, pickpockets not doing. They have to keeping the safe. He is the help to the area. Next one, the traffic police. Do you know very well when we are going to move to vehicles to go to the shop, the traffic police is controller, that rules are there, red, green, yellow. We have to follow the traffic rules. It means red is that stop, green is that we have to go, yellow is that we have to say wait. Then we have to follow the traffic rules. He controls the traffic and he managed to go to the safely on road, and he tell to follow the traffic rules. He explained to the people how to manage the road. Next one is the soldier. Soldier is the nothing but is that he is protect our country from the animals. In the borders, they have to protect our borderline of our country, and he also helps the people during the floods, droughts and also earthquakes. He is helping the people what is the natural floods are coming on the times. And that firefighters also, we know very well, when the fire station is there, that in that place firefighter is there. He came to help the people when there is a fire. In that time the firefighters came to the fire engine man, and he can put out of fire with the water. There is a water tank and a hospitals and any areas it will be put out of fire. These are the works done. Who does works one? These are the lesson, and we have to learn about the cobbler, barber, basket weaver, carpenter, doctor, teacher, police, traffic police, soldier and firefighters. These are the work professions we have to learn. Next class we have to learn about another things.